Alright, here we have the Cyberblade headphones. Let's unbox this. It's pretty heavy. Got some instructions on the charger. That's good. Click once, super fast on. Click twice, super fast off. Click 3 times, RGB LED on off. Long press mobile switch. Very cool. Look at that speckled finish. Oh wow. Those are gorgeous. Let's take one out. Oh yeah, those are amazing. Alright, let's come back to that. See what else is in here. Oh, just magnets right back on. Look at that. Awesome. This looks like a dock for charging. Wow. This is gorgeous too. Look at that clear acrylic in the foot. Nice. What else have we got? Charging cables. It's like a nice fabric coating here. So this is a USB to USB-C. Well, both USB-C. And this one is USB-A to also USB-C. Wow, these cables are premium. Nice little Velcro strap holding them together. That's awesome. Here we have our user manual and a WeChat QR code. That's a big book, multilingual. And here we go. How's this come out? Oh, that doesn't really come out, I guess. But if we look in there, we have all sorts of sizes for the headphone earpieces. 11.4 millimeter, 12.4 millimeter, 13.4 millimeter, 10.7, 11.3, 12.4, 13.6. Okay, these up here are memory foam. So those are nice squishy. These are just kind of little rubber pieces. So we have a lot of choices for comfort. I'm probably going to try the memory foam. That looks awesome. Alright. So there's the new Cyberblade from Angry Miao. Cyberblade headphones. These look really nice. Alright, that's it for now.